Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. Big Brother Mzansi winner and Sangoma Mpho Wa finds herself accused and exposed of exploiting desperate people who are spiritual and those who have a gift but do not know where to go and get help, you guys. Now this comes after she announced that she will be having like a seminar or a course for people who are spiritually gifted, those who are raising kids who are gifted, and also what she calls a spiritual reboot, you guys. Now guys, the course or seminar will run for 3 weeks for a ridiculously high 3,500 rands, for 4 weeks for 7,500 rands, and of course she says for 2 weeks it'll run for about 3,500 rands rather. And now, of course, people in the comments of the post that she posted on her YouTube community post, they felt like she was definitely taking people for a ride and basically saying that this is a scam. What can she possibly teach people, because she has spoken about these topics before. Now one user commented and actually wrote this under the comments. She said, "You've spoken about all these topics before. How will a virtual session even help? You're not helping anyone here but increasing your own pockets, and that's not morally or spiritually correct, but go ahead." And of course, Mpho Wa responded and said, "Go ahead, go and F yourself." Guys, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Do you think that what Mpho Wa is doing is exploiting desperate spiritual people, or if she can do this? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Of course, do not forget to subscribe or follow me if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding to watch this one.